A shooting star crashed on Earth, and a hidden blob in West. It creeps and leaps, it glides and slides. It's also unstoppable. Weapons fire extreme temperatures. No matter what you throw at it, it just will go and connect its rampart. Its expansion is breathtaking. It doubles in size every hour. But there's one opportunity. After each hour, it goes to sleep, forming itself into a flat triangle, and will stand for a few minutes before it begins eating and growing again. Your only chance to save the pet involves a satellite mounted nanofission ray that can cut through the blob. When the blob is active, it heals itself within seconds. However, when you break the sleeping blob into two triangles, you make a critical discovery. The acute triangle protein, with all angles less than 90 degrees, is in it never wakes up. The of those triangles, which have an angle greater than 90 degrees, wakes up as usual and keeps going. Similar experiments show that all 6 other than acute triangles, including right triangles, will also wake up. For the next few minutes, the blob is sleeping in its obtuse triangle form. You can make clean, straight line cuts between any 2 points on or inside the triangle. But you only have time to make 7 cuts while the satellite is above you. By the time it completes its orbit and returns, the blob will have consumed the entire world. If even a single protein that will wake up remains. How can you cut the blob entirely into acute triangle and stop it from destroying the planet? Why this seems double at first? Dials are hiding difficultly when it comes to avoiding obtuse and right angles. Every time you make a cut that visit an edit, it either makes an acute and an obtuse angle or 2 right angles. That makes it seem like you don't to keep creating obtuse angles. But as with so many of life's problems, we can look to pizza for inspiration. Straighten of the outside of a pizza, so that instead of a circle, it's an octagon. When we cut it into slices, each of the 8 triangles is acute. This works with the larger polygons too. Importantly, it also works from some polygons with fewer sides, including heptagons, hexagons, and pentagons. That's good news, because if you cut off the 6 corners of the broad triangle, a pentagon is exactly what you'll be left with. And just like a pizza, You can cut the blob pentagon into 5 acute triangles. That's 8. That's 7 cuts, and it renders the blob completely inert. You save the day. Now you just need to figure out what to do with all of these gen particularly indestructible triangles.